As you are using Mediate, you may wish to assign markers using a quicker method than described in the previous video. This is possible by using shortcuts. First, you will need to assign the shortcuts. This menu is accessed through the Assign Marker screen. Simply drag and drop the marker categories to an assigned shortcut. I'd recommend using a system that will help you remember which marker goes to which key combination. Here I'm going to arrange my markers alphabetically. Then I'll close out of the screen. The shortcuts I've assigned will be available in any video that I'm working on in Mediate. Each user can assign their own shortcuts. Now, to add a marker, all I need to do is press the shortcut keys. If I want to chain markers together, that is, have them appear at the same timestamp, I just need to press the shortcut keys for each marker that I wish to add. And that is how you add and use shortcuts in Mediate.